In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build responsive layouts using Webflow in just 5 minutes. So, let's jump right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Webflow's website. Webflow is a fantastic visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites with ease, without needing extensive coding knowledge. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Just look for that Login button at the top of the page. Clicking there will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Don't have an account yet? No worries. You can quickly create one by following the sign-up prompts. But assuming you already have an account, go ahead and log in so we can proceed to the next step. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. This is your main hub where all your projects are conveniently listed. Take a moment to get familiar with this dashboard if you're new, as it's the starting point for everything you'll do in Webflow. Now, locate the project you want to work on. You probably have something in mind already, but if not, feel free to create a new project. Click on the project to open it up, and let's start making some magic happen. With your project open, begin by selecting an element on your page that you'd like to make responsive. This could be anything from an image, a text block, or even a button. Simply click on the element to select it, and you'll notice a styling panel appear on the right side of your screen. The next step is to click on the Style tab within that panel. This section is where you can adjust everything related to the appearance of your element, including size, color, and more. But for our purposes, we're focusing on responsiveness, so you'll want to then click on the Layout tab. Here you'll find tools and options specifically geared towards structuring your content responsively. One of the most powerful tools you'll find here is the choice between using Flexbox or CSS Grid. Both of these options help control the alignment and distribution of the elements within your layout. Flexbox is great for simple, one-dimensional layouts where you need elements to adjust based on screen size, while Grid is perfect for more complex, two-dimensional layouts. Choose the one that best suits your needs and start arranging your elements accordingly. Flexbox will give you options like alignment and distribution settings. Play around with these settings to see how they affect your layout. With Grid, you can define rows and columns, allowing for precise control over the position of each element. Both tools are intuitive and powerful, making it easy for anyone to craft a responsive design. And that's it. You now have a responsive layout ready to be previewed and published. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are excited to apply these principles to your own projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!